You were the one that voted for this game, so we're playing this now. I'm
Pardon?
really laggy. Well, you said you wanted to record a video, so I'm
Oh yeah.
doing.
I'm going to turn on the video real quick.
I'm making nothing. I mean, this is really like.
I'm starting my own video as well.
Please give me blue flower. Oh, come on. No, bro. I hate this game. I donated a diamond egg today. And I just got nothing out of it. I mean, I don't really need diamond eggs anymore, so I'm not really like pissed off that much.
I have some in the honeycomb too, so it's gonna go. It's gonna keep on doing that.
Oh my god.
The game! What did I do?
Let me convert my balloon and leave and rejoin. This is agonizing. Oh,
I regret my choices.
let me 33 billion. Every time I like macro, I end up with like 500 to 600 billion. I've made 443 billion today.
How do macro? How do macro?
It'll destroy your PC. Not even kidding.
How do you like macro do it?
Do you wanna look game now?
You know, you just got to get to 5,000 now.
Game takes so long to do anything. Wait, can you hold?
Look, I'm gonna make you kill above my head. Dude, have you not got many kill above my head?
Huh?
Do you see it's like UFO above my head?
Yeah, I see that UFO.
Yeah, and it heals people.
Oh, really?
And you can only get from a different game.
You can only get it from a different game. Loading screen.
What the fuck? Start. Pick one which you want.
So I just have to complete the tutorial.
Yeah, I need to check. Right, so you see that? You see over there?
Here.
You click those.
It's got 4 trooper. Super trooper. Screw you!
Now shoot that other guy in front of you. Yeah, one of those. Get one of those.
So I'm gonna have to. That one. Aha!
You're not finished yet. Top right. Behind the pillar.
Where did I go already?
Yeah. I don't think you can shoot him. I think it's too far away. And you need clear line. Like, yeah, nice job. You
I
won.
don't win. Oh. So I have.
I place your units where you want them.
Well, actually. Do I just have to collect all of these?
No, you have to fight. You have to kill them all.
What kill these or those?
And press finish. Press finish.
Brother ships, invaders. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, so many
Now you just go in.
things.
Yeah, you have to kill all of them, and including the big boss one. The big boss one doesn't even have much health either.
I think they have a lot of health. They're closing in on me. Oh wait, I can use the paladin. You're hacking! What was that?
I think it's just a shockwave AoE attack.
Oh. Why can I? Wait, what the fuck?
I say just target the boss first.
I can't do anything. I'm gonna die. Come on. No. I'm so dead. Oh my god, they just bullied me.
No, you have to kill all of you first in order to win.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh, fuck off. Oh, I can't do anything. I'm just dead. Alright, I feel like I have cancer. I'm just... What?
oh, you did it. It's not.
How?
You have it now. You have it.
Oh, okay, bye.
You killed the big boss. You should have this mini UFO above your head now.
Hmm.
You have it.
Yeah.
Now we can heal people
Right, do you want to go into the dungeon place?
after this. They've changed it to arena. I'm surprised this game still updates.
I don't know why I was just... There's no... Oh. Oh.
You have to hold W and Q.
Yeah, I know. Look, it just doesn't work. I'm holding... I'm pressing Q right now.
Oh, dude, I think you need to upgrade your sprint.
What?
You need gold for it, which we can get while doing this. Like, heal my healing. Be
A little bit.
on my way. I'll go get her. I can just one shot her right now. What
No,
happens if
I'll
I
just-
go on these pillars?